Hi, I'm Martha. I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm originally from Australia. I've been living in New York forever, for over 15 years. I actually came here to study at the American Academy of Dramatic Arts and graduated, and then shortly after I started working in film and TV. I did study theater at the Academy, but primarily I just started, I guess, going in that direction of film and television. So I wanted to share all my tips and techniques and knowledge from all the, I guess, 15 years of experience I've had. I am still currently a professional actress. I still go to auditions, and I think it's important to be current and up to date in terms of being out there. So anyway, I have courses and I have live Zoom sessions. So if you have any questions about them, I would love to, help out. And we're going to be studying anything from scene study, character breakdowns, monologues, audition techniques, commercials, pretty much anything you want to learn and or want to improve. So if you're just starting and just want to get some guidance and obviously just learn the fundamentals of acting, this is a great place for you to begin. Also, if you're just curious and want to know what acting is about and what all the drama is about, this is also a great start. So anyway, I hope to see you in one of my classes, or at least, I hope you enjoy some of my courses. All right, I'll see you in class. Bye.